Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Sparkle Hustle Grow. This is a monthly box for the female entrepreneur. Boxes come with things, tools for success. They have like an online community. I think every box comes with a book. This is the full-size box, which is $44.95 month to month. If you subscribe for an annual subscription, you do get a free box. There is also, though, a mini one, which I believe is $27.95 month to month. So that's an option if you kind of want to get your feet wet first. I believe this is the November box, and no, I haven't had it that long, but it's a past box of theirs. So let's get in here. I'm excited because like this is something I could really use. And the box is super cute. Look at the diamonds. Aww. And then it says here, best business expense ever. I think that's super cute. All right. So you open it up and it says there's a card for the curator, founder, and chief sparkler. They have some really fancy gold paper clips here. This is their little insert. Many thanks from Sparkle Hustle Grow. Hi Ashley, here's our November box for your review. Hope you love it. With gratitude, Julie. So let's get in here and see what's going on. Yay, it's here. And this is our card, November 2018. The theme is CEO Toolkit. We're not going to look down here. It does, you know, it's like an ingredients card for the recipe for this box. We're not going to look at that yet. Maybe if we need to at the end, we will. So there's online training, which I think is cool. This box really does, it's not just stuff. There's like a, you know, an online presence where you can go and you can kind of get support and help. So November 2018 online training, the Boss Mom Vault. There's over 15 courses. She's CEO and founder of Boss Mom. You get 1 month free of this amazing monthly membership program designed to give you the tools you need to run your business with less stress and more ease while saving time plus making more money. $47 value. So you can register for free here. And then you have 30 days of free access, which is really cool. So that's her, Boss Mom. All right, and I like, look at their squigglers. Aren't they pretty? All right. All right, so first, let me show you guys. So let me show you. It's so cool. All right. So first we have from Hot Hues, 15 thank you cards and envelopes. They're like holographic. Can you see that? Oh, those are cool. And then the envelopes are pink. You can see right there. So that is super neat. I love those. Then we have, oh my gosh, I've been wanting one. Oh my god, Cynthia Rowley too. It's a gold stapler. Don't you love it? Oh my god, it's so cool. I don't have a stapler right now, and now I have a gold one. How cool is that? It's perfect for your desk. All right, and we've got a snack. This is a marshmallow rice treat from Smash Crispy. It's strawberries and cream. I've never heard of this brand before. Why do they have to do this to me, right? Only 130 calories, so that's not too bad. All right. We've got a little letter opener here. And this is like a Sparkle Hustle Grow branded letter opener, which is really neat. I'm trying to be really careful with the stuffing because it's going to get everywhere I know. I'm afraid my cat will eat it. Anyway, so here we have from Heidi Swap. So she's a, you know, a scrapbooker. These are two really cool pens. This is, it says, one says write it down and the other one says remember this. I think I actually had these in pencils at one point. I think they're so cool. I love the like the black and white with one bright pop of color. These are super cool. I'll have to hide them from my kids. You guys know I always say that because my kids steal my pens. One of the little ones gets it, writes on the wall. It's all over. But these are really cool. All right, next we have Sparkle Hustle. No. There's a sticker first, or magnet. Ooh, it says you got this. I love this. Isn't it cool? Aww. I wonder if this would stick to my car. I know, like, it's probably supposed to be for your refrigerator or something, but I like to put these things on my car because, like, they inspire the people behind me to, like, do good. I guess. Is that silly? I don't know. I think it's a nice pay it forward gesture, and then when I see it on my car, I'm like, oh, that's so nice. I like that. I have one that says be the light on there right now. And I hope if a cop's ever behind me, you know, he would think, she's only going 400 miles over the speed. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I like that. That's cool. All right, next we have Sparkle Hustle Grow cord wraps. Ooh, you know what's funny? You ever like put it out there? I would like some cord wraps, right? I've gotten cord wraps like twice the past week. Never received them before, ever. And now I have these. And the other ones were really cool. And these are really cool. It's like a ribbon. Isn't that neat? I just love them. They look like they're almost like Velcro. Like they have like a ridge that's going to connect together. I love that. By the way, does this not look like a weird smiley face to you? Doesn't it? All right. All right, so we're down to our final item, which is a book. And this is by Dana Malstaff, author of Boss Mom. Climb Your Own Ladder. Become the CEO of your own business. So this is like this book is a field guide. It says it right here. Let me just read the synopsis. When you have an online business, you end up talking a lot and creating a lot of content. You're continually trying to figure out your unique voice, ideas, and way of thinking to help your voice get heard among the growing masses of people who are trying to do the same thing. This is not a book about creating content. It's not a book about how you get your voice heard. Climb Your Own Ladder is a field guide that shows you the natural progression you will make as you grow your business. Use it to understand where you are now so you can get to where you want to go faster. That is really cool. I love getting these kinds of books because I find them so motivational. So in this box, in the November Sparkle Hustle Grow, we received the book, the cord holders, which I love. I think that's such a cool idea. The golden stapler, the thank you notes, the pens, the crispy Rice Krispies, the letter opener, the free course, which is awesome, by the way. It's like worth more than the price of the box, and the magnet. So let's look at our insert here and see if they have prices or anything. They do not. Oh, they do have the prices. So they already said that the book is $14. The online trading is $47, like they said. The thank you cards are $7.99. The Heidi Swap pens are $3.99. The stapler is $7.99. The staple remover, that's what that is. I thought that was a letter opener. But you know, I don't know everything. $2. The cord wraps are $5, and the magnet is 50 cents. The Smash Crispy is 85 cents. So obviously this box adds up. If you're interested in my full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Sparkle Hustle Grow so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.